Welcome to Plasmacor, the building block of the future.
Hi, I'm Burlet, and today I'm here to present a material called Plasmacor that's supposed to change the world as it is. And I'm trying to demonstrate a few material samples here with, showing them what they are and how they are. This is my wife, Alexis, that's been helping me all these years to get my team together. So today is the final day of getting this on the show, so we don't have much time. Alright, I just want to show here first actually the regular construction method for fiberglass composite materials, which is simply foam and a skin of fiberglass, which they use in regular, construction methods for fiberglass houses and things like that. The problem with that is it's highly toxic and environmentally not friendly at all and expensive. So we came up with a solution, which is 30 years old actually now, that my father invented, and it looks kind of like gravel because we're going to put it into a hollow wall between two spaces to make it like a filling material for houses and different things. That's how it looks like. It looks like popcorn, which it is. It's just, you could imagine maybe petrified popcorn because it has a coating of concrete around in this case. And this is the material that is going to be in the wall that I'm going to show in a second. And this is a different version of it, which is heavy duty. And we already had like a pressure test done on this where we had 500 pounds, the tire of a car, on this material, and it didn't break. It's just been laying around, been testing it and showing it around. That's the version of it. And here is a sample piece of the wall. How it would look like scaled down. And as you can see, it's not very light. But if this would be concrete, I could not lift it up by myself. This is the back of it, the front of it. It looks like marble because we made it look like marble. It's just actually a really skin layer of a few millimeters thick. It has like protection for scratches, and it sounds very durable. It's a very strong material. And basically, this what I just showed you earlier in a gravel form is in this material, because this is the same as this, but this is open and doesn't have skin on it to cover it up. It's exposed on purpose to show the material. Here on the back we show off like on a downscale size how the steel support frame would look like, because this is a wall panel, just downscaled from the electric here. And here would be an example of that we can have different type of materials, like textures, like these, or this one, which actually looks kind of similar, but this one is different. And we have also the ability to do it transparent for different purposes, like solar panels or water heating behind the walls. And we just did some test samples because this is the material that we have also patent rights on, the way we're using it. And nobody else has that. And this is something similar that's on the market, and they printed wood on it, to give you an idea how limited actually people are on the market, because they could have done so much more with this. People don't really know how to use it or to use it what for, And then the end would be that I would like to demonstrate a bigger Plasmacor sample. It's been made since 5-6 years now. I've been out in the rain all over this time. And we let it out in the rain, in the sun and everything else to demonstrate.
Welcome to Plasmacor, the building block of the future, presents a visual demonstration of the Plasmacor building within some of its features, what the Plasmacor wall unit layers are made of, the way it could be used in construction of buildings. First, a few words on the topics, world psychology of sustainable construction of buildings and why it is necessary to blueprint. From the documentary Designing to with the courtesy of Content Reel.
They use 40% of the world's energy, emit 50% of its greenhouse gases. They are not the cars we drive. They are the buildings where we work, live, and grow. Buildings designed with an unconscious disregard for nature. Adopting sustainable alternatives is not only a matter of progress, It's a matter of survival. Design E squared, the economies of being environmentally conscious.
Plasmacor. This product is 95% based on a renewable resource that grows around the world. It is recyclable, environmentally friendly, efficient, and feasible. It uses very few of the Earth's resources. It needs for electricity energy is very low. It is very resistant to environment and easy to use for construction. Plasmacor building material has many important advantages over traditional building methods that make it, in our opinion, the building block of the future. We believe that it will become a necessity and not just an alternative. Next we'll show a sample of a Plasmacor wall unit and the layers of its composition. Here you see a sample length of 30 by 10 feet. Maximum is depending on the transportation. It's made out of 6 layers with 2 parts, one left and one right, as you see it visually. First layer is the outside wall with marble decor, stucco finish, or glass paint or semi-gloss. Doesn't matter, we can do it all. The second layer is the Plasmacor material that's filled into the hollow space. And the third layer is a fiberglass skin. The fourth layer is also another fiberglass skin. And the fifth layer is again Plasmacor material that is filled into the empty spaces. The sixth layer is the finished wall that you see on the inside, which is sheetrock to absorb all the humidity. Now you see the visual demonstration process again, and how the walls are going to go together and form a single wall. So you can see the different layers that I used in the process. And then this is a demonstration of how the wall will be simply inserted into the steel support frame construction of the house. This shows how a sample single-family home could look like that is built with prefabricated Plasmacor wall units. Of course, we can have any type of design. It's just a simple example of something that we can do. It's a little short visual demonstration of how it could look like. By trucks, you can deliver the wall panels, you can assemble it on site, prefabricated. It's important to mention that the house that's prefabricated with Plasmacor wall panels is meant to withstand hurricanes up to Category 5, earthquakes, and also flooding up to 6 feet high, and will also prevent any type of insects to enter the building, because it has no cracks that will let an opening so that small insects can enter the building. It's basically airtight. That's what makes it secure. This clip demonstrated some ways to use Plasmacor in construction of buildings, but it has much more potential. Plasmacor Corp is currently developing this product further to find more methods and uses for its material. Thank you for taking your time to watch this clip and allow me to introduce a product that might change the world. I hope that I can gain your support with my idea so we can all together try to make a difference.